Wegman, the Hooked on Fishing columnist for Lake Simcoe Living magazine. You know, many of you probably know me more for my fishing than anything else. However, I do like to swim, and since we received this beautiful pool here in Bradford, I've been doing laps 3, 4, sometimes 5 times a week. And for the last half a year or so, I've had my goals set on swimming the Sun City Swim up in Orillia, across Lake Couchiching, one of my favorite bass lakes. Now, this lake is renowned for rough water, so we're hoping we don't have it that day. But there'll be about 70 or 80 other swimmers who will be trying to swim this 4-kilometer charity race in order to raise funds for the Memorial Hospital up in Orillia. Their neonatal care unit, intensive care unit, is in need of some major expansion and upgrades, and we're trying to raise money for that really worthy cause. So if you're interested in supplying a small donation, please log on to my blog at the Lake Simcoe Living website or my own website at willwegman.com. Thank you very much. We'll see what happens. The date of this swim is August 10th, so we just have a few days left of preparation, and then we'll see what happens on that big day. Thanks very much.